Okay, abusuafo ene ye behwe kwan a ye betimi afa so e skin details and skin texture aka ye picture yi ho kwan a ye betimi apply skin details and skin textures to this picture. Yeah. You can say skin details and skin textures. Oh, picture we am trying to say no. Ana wa edit picture na ma honam nani intokro ni nema bia ewo honam nani a ema picture ni looking natural. Bia wa ya ma sa nema ni nyina jira ama picture nani ma etotro nti and looking real. Now per se what this skin details and intokro na ewo honam nani ebe kan picture ho na picture ni looking natural e kwan ya obetimi afa so ayeni. Now and the picture I'm using my model your friend Alice. You start it. Alright, first of all, we will create layer. We create layer say ya. Name your layer. O double click it, o layer no so. Now I name no, yen name no skin texture and skin details. Skin texture. Skin texture. Good. One name is skin texture, you know. Now if you want to edit, o click editor. Now about fill. O click filler. Bra behwe ha say baby a color we won miaso umiaso bon se sanima we nyina wo ho twani nyina abo na be clicking on 50% gray 50% gray click so o click so I get normal 100% opacity sa na ko okay. Yes, you click okay. I almost said your picture na ye na fe hwe said ha so why good. Now why you say you know near ube ye yenko filter oba filter na fi waba filter gallery uko filter gallery ubo hu sesa anema we no e wa ha se gra e friend we forget greens we mu nyina na bra be fa texturizer. Good. Click it on texturizer. O click it on texturizer. She said the we need here. There was settings be a be able to now the another bricks. So who say I say texture no at the bricks are. I was a bricks and ya there at that honamania a real. And I said that ball lap. Said that bell lap. And also I said bottom. Nipa bi any one skin to say. Na fi canvas. I say the canvas and so tie like enye honamani, you know, and looking real. But offer sandstone. I almost say they looking like we know I am normal to close to skin tones. Okay. Now no about scaling. Scaling we know. The more na ubi mu na skin details in eba. Depending on how close or far our picture no etie. So picture no very close. I know so ma onyema ni na bana to picture na emra yi. By far better so scaling yam fan say 115. Now for relief no how deep our person skin details na ye. The emphasis say me dey to 12 because we get 12 we na okay. Now ubehwe ahase o picture no hefa na light no e free ba ye picture no na light ni free top left. Yeah, I say picture ni free top left until ube select top left. So o hwe u twa picture no so picture ni light na we ye e free e right corner side and e ba and so ka be fa ya top right say free down one bottom right near that here the any free top left, so let's choose top left. Now you click it okay. Click it okay. On send it we na yo ha. Good. Now let me change a blend mode. Change the blend mode to linear light. So we change the blend mode to linear light. I said the picture now. I say skin details now, but it was too much. I said I be. Now, Brabbe select it. Or select it. We layer we say na bra filter. Na ko blur. No aba Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur. Me fa Gaussian blur no. Say ama eyes are cra skin details na either 2 na. So normally me use either 2 or 1.5. Nti we dey yanko. You do 2.5. Say a show. Yeah. Nti we dey yanko fanko at least 2. I think the blend 2 ni okay. Yeah, 2 you okay. And I'm here 1, so we had 1.5, 1.4. To the young Fanto 1.5. Young Fanto 1.5. Number okay. We say active skin details no so cry. Afi said the beya yen zoom in. Say Usha, I say a looky natural fine. I didn't bet done in Nicosiano so ne baby and 3 minutes so baby. And the baby, I will say you be selective for Namu baby. I press skin details in a show. Yeah, it's quite a be fast way no soon ye. Over said the winner selected winner that done. I feel bad over be click it, sir. I do you way. Yeah, your friend layer mask. Brabbe click it so say yeah. Once I create some wavy white I won't change. So white are the way I create wahano. And no and a baby using and they are selected places I press skin textures no a year juma. Oh now still Osha has a skin texture no. I add and still that's what we know so in the quite fast. I was say turning at the white way into black. So turning the black a be hide it win and son of selected baby out there. And see quite many fast turning into black. Quite a fast turning way into black. And we click it on no keyboard no son. Click it Control I. Maybe Control I on say at the black abba. So person we black in the free soon and done a white beam and one Control I beam. I say I white. It's fine. You person you hide it na you me selected the skin. I mean skin baby I person add the texture no nti na fe yen konko click Control I na yen hide it. Now you hide ni say we are Brabbe file brush. O file brush brow opacity. Opacity no reducing no Brabbe 40%. Good. Flow no 100%. Smoothness with the jansa. I feel brush the size no. I think say maybe in the case no depending on skin no baby I will be touchy. So baby I will be corner where smaller. No way reduce the brush the size. Now I'm reducing me the kakra. Okay. I feel then start it. Me start here. Me clean your bone say I shall say yeah juma. So I'm model in the moment so good. For example, before, after. Kakrana me no when mama so say I shall say yeah juma. Now, then paper. Ube clean say ya the brush na first say ya. Baby, me no one on the men cannot because a honum and can skin no baby I say details. Cleaning say ya. kakra krasa uduru ba bia skin no e hoso a na afi wa bio brush no nti so hwa utumuze o de hwenchen ha utumuze how skin na ya black kakra na ha say I say picture na look sharp good nti say na me mostly me pictures camera me use en sheda nye high I mean any boy nye den enya ade a ewo animu bia sa na nso so se me twa me picture wie na me be yesa anima we a wo hu a wadwen be ye say me use be 5D Mark II ana me use 6D no but camera me use T6i Rebel T6i yeah the cleaning say ya nkakra sa all right I will clean it yes it is so follow steps ya make sure we are so abomodi an na hwe ni na hwe bibia dito yeah, open skin details no eye adwuma clean ho bia na so no ho
and you more free hitsnationgh.com
Hits beats the young producer
ni na so no nka ho
hitsnationgh.com
okay yeah cleaning is nyanto boase ma no the cleaning baby I was say skin textures no a show baby o ha utumu say ehu ihia say o say show a men touch ho men cleaning ho na body hasia ahanyina ye here skin details no ewo ha good na no ha kakra good I say reduce brush ni kakra even in sana you can do something about it yeah
Hits beats the young producer
but I think saying in sanity man yeah skin no any yeah some good. I am focusing a war. Okay. All right. I'm making sure say won't touching any kusiano. And then the nature winning so men touching skin no kwa ho adwuma ana ye good. We have see even some picture no work afar no crown. We bet me detect say skin details be kakra e wo picture na looking sharp style be. Yeah. Good. Now the mama so has it so. That's all. Come on.
And you're more free hitsnationgh.com.
Hits beats the young producer.
In fact, I say something.
I like it. Hits beats the young producer.
Hitsnationgh.com.
I can't grab any area. All right. And one no, when you say yeah, skin details or the picture of my review. Good. Now, so if your picture no so if you need be too much. That was what and one say maybe I said baby or my mind. We now come into alright. It is a museum picture and say yeah. Before, after. Before, after. Which means say yeah. Transformation kakra abem. Like skin details no abamu more. Good. So when you be too much amount now process skin details no echo from kakra and honestly baby way about opacity now reduce the opacity no then from the two baby base okay I think say 70% or 68 to 70 I think 70% is cool. With your picture now, looking natural. Yes. Also, one when you can say artificial skin details. Compare before na say na ya edit your picture na after you add the skin details, I said it here. Nti wo hu a wadwe be say me camera na me di try no na amma me details ni say na pick editing na me retouching no skin details. And I made a camera, sir. Yeah, skin details, no. And I had sir. All right, inti and one no. And then baby, I did move a silly. Inti kwanya wait me afa so add those skin details any. Nyame boa, ye woda fifo.